Assalamualaikum everybody. We are on the way for going to Bournemouth Beach with my nephew, with my cousins. We're on the way having some katlamma and tea. And there's Ishtiyaq, Shams.
Hi guys.
Just a bit of break and on the way for Bournemouth. And what's the place where we're going?
We're going to doordle, I think it's called. Where we going?
And we're gonna do some barbecue down there. And everybody just follow us and enjoy the day today.
Breakfast done. Now let's get to the beach. Hey guys, it's fantastic to be out. Actually, I've seen my uncle after a long time. We usually go out quite a lot, but this is the first time since March, since the lockdown has started, that we have actually come out, and it feels great. I'm out with my friends, family, uncle. It's been a fantastic day so far. We're here in doordle. The weather is good and it's absolutely beautiful. Really blue water, crystal clear waters, and the scenery here is fantastic. We're having a great time. Still got lots to do today. Still got a barbecue to do, so stay with us. How you feeling?
Oh, absolutely very nice. The best beach ever I've seen. Went to all the beaches, but this water is amazing. Amazing, very nice. Especially weather's good as well. Loving it today. After a long time. 3 months staying out.
Since March, we've got together first time since the lockdown.
Since lockdown. We're having a good time. Very nice. Enjoying yourself.
Oh, he's scared of the water. He's not. Oh my god. Get it! What are you scared for, you kid?
We had a fabulous time in the beach. Now enjoying the old songs and going back to the car park. Oh, it was a mission. Now we get ready for barbecue now. We see you there. Oh.
Okay guys, we left doordle now. We're on our way to Chesil beach. They didn't let us do a barbecue there. They put signs up that no barbecue allowed. So we're going to Chesil beach and we'll be doing a barbecue there. This place wasn't in the original plan, but glad that we came here because this is absolutely breathtaking. The views here.
Just a snack, ice cream, vanilla to just calm down, and now we're just going for looking for. Hello everybody, we just made our way now for a barbecue. We got the place, it's getting heated up, food is there, starving, good, we got the time and we got the place, very good view as well for the barbecue.
To have a barbecue and just on the edge of the water.
Oh, amazing.
It was a lovely day and we enjoyed too much. Just we are now waiting for the barbecue.
We doing a barbecue and testing the barbecue, the strips. Fantastic job, it's stacked. Nice masala, well cooked. Very good, enjoying the barbecue we are.
Okay guys, this was our day in Dorset. We had a fantastic day. We went to doordle, and then after that we came to a beach called Chesil. And this beach is located in the area called Portland. It all comes under Dorset. It was fantastic here. We couldn't do barbecue in doordle. They're not allowing anyone to do barbecue there. But I would recommend to anyone who's coming to Dorset to visit this place, Chesil Beach. You can do barbecue here, as we see around here. People are catching fish, and then they got a barbecue. They got a barbecue setting, so they're catching the fish, they're putting the marinades on and making a barbecue here. So it's a fantastic place. We're now gonna head back to Birmingham, and please guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Travel and Taste. And until the next vlog, Allah Hafiz.